teaching our children the Islamic knowledge, behavior, and moral is necessary. But most of students feel bored during the normal classes. Therefore, we are planning to make productive Islamic games which cover the Islamic school curriculum in each grade and progress gradually. LIG means that learning Islamic games is one of the project developed by SFL team, which helps children to learn basic of Islamic principles and regulations. Let's see how does it works. This is the first page, which contains general information about the iGame. User can click the login button to go into the next page. Here the user is required to enter his name and ID. If he doesn't have account, he can create new account clicking the create new account and then select his state. This interface is when the user enter wrong name or ID, he can re-enter correctly. This is when a student enters successfully to the system. Now he is able to choose a game and play. The marks for the game will be updated up there. This is the requirement from the student for creating new account, and here we will send a confirmation number to the user while he enter his phone number and confirm it. This is the requirement from the teachers for creating new account, and this drop-down list shows the teacher's class that he is teaching. This interface is for the guest to create new account for limited duration of time. Thank you very much for your attention. Now I am passing the topic to my friend Islam Aslan.
Thank you, Brother Safi, from your clear explanation. Now I am going to explain you with the rest. Now let us see if the user of our system is teacher. So when he or she enter to the system by his ID, he will see a list of class that he is teaching and also a list of various types of games. This is actually if the teacher wants to see the result of his students who played the game. So while the teacher click the show result button, he will see the names and scores of all his students who played the games. Okay, the next interface is also sometimes a teacher may want to suggest or request for the new games from the SFL team or from the admin. So then he can click the request button and then enter the required information. So the admin will directly receive the information. Okay, the next interface is about the admin, where he can check the request came from the teacher, and also he can add game or edit game. Now if he open the requests, here the table will be shown where which shows the teacher name, request title, and request scope, request details. And the last interface is after the request, an admin may want to add any game or delete any game from the system. Okay, thank you very much from your precise attention.